Hello everyone, I'm back with another reading, and this reading is What Are Your Dreams Trying to Tell You? Okay, so we have three piles over here. Number one is represented by this star, number two is house, number three is key. Okay, so you can take your time to decide your pile and you can pause the video if you need more time, and let's get started. So if you picked option number one, Tar, let's see what are your dreams trying to tell you. Okay, so you are the pile that got a lot of cards. Okay, so first thing that I'm getting from this card is that you might be facing a lot of restrictions in your life. Okay, that's what I'm getting. And this star is different from the Tower of the Tarot. This is Star of the Lenormand. Okay, so the meaning is different. So don't freak out while seeing this card, okay? You might be facing a lot of restrictions in your life, and your dreams are trying to convey you that you need to break free from those restrictions, okay? Or you might actually dream that you are being restricted in some kind of way, okay? This is the first thing that I'm getting. You might be dealing with authorities. You might be having some challenges with authorities, like your boss or some sort of authority figure. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, exactly. Five of Swords. You might be facing a lot of mental troubles right now. You might be very stressed out. You might be very anxietic, and your dreams are trying to tell you that this is affecting your subconscious as well as your mental health. Okay, so you need to think something about it. Don't just brush it off. That's what I'm hearing. Deal with the situation, okay? Wow, Wheel of Fortune. So once you break out of this restriction, once you set yourself free, because if you see in this card, this man is finally free of his mental conflicts. Okay, so whatever conflict that he's facing, so once you step out of it, there is going to be a positive shift for you. Things will start picking up for you, and suddenly all the obstacles that were keeping you from doing something will all be removed. Okay, so you need to find a solution of the situation rather than just brushing it off and pretending that it will be over soon by itself. Okay, no, you have to take action about it. Okay, because it's taking a toll of your mental health as well as it's impacting your subconscious mind as well. Okay, so you might be having some weird dreams that don't make any sense. Okay, wow, star, your wish will be granted. Okay, so remain hopeful. Yeah, you might also be dreaming that something that you wished for is coming true in your dreams. Okay, if that's the case, then this is a confirmation that yes, that wish is going to be fulfilled. Okay, and another message that I'm getting, that once you let go of all these things that are holding you back, that are disturbing your peace, you will receive your wish. Okay, and it's going to be sudden with the Wheel of Fortune. These are two most beautiful cards here, so yeah, it's quite positive. Okay, and I'm also hearing that you're going through a transition phase, so just don't give up yet. Things are about to pick up for you. Okay, I'm hearing believe in miracles, so yeah, that's what I'm hearing. Wet weather, lightning, rain, thunderstorm, rainbow. Yeah, okay. So you might be dreaming that you are in the rain, or you are facing lightning, thunderstorm. Okay, you might be dreaming about that. I am getting from this is that you will be soon out of this dark and gloomy phase of your life. Okay, next is your mouth. Tongue, brush your teeth, lipstick, toothpick. Okay, with this, the first message that I've got is that take care of your teeth. If you need to go to the dentist, do so. Okay, or just in general, take care of your teeth. That's what I'm hearing. Another thing that I'm hearing is that watch what you speak. Okay, so think before you speak anything, as your words may lead to certain consequences that you don't want in your life. Okay, so speak wisely. That's what I'm hearing. Not destiny. You are being pushed towards your destiny. Your dreams are trying to tell you that your life is about to take a new direction, so be prepared. Okay, be prepared for it. And yeah, you will soon discover your destiny. You will soon discover the path which is meant for you. So it's a big thing that's happening in your life, big transition, big shifts that I'm seeing here for you. So it's not just any dream. Your dreams are really trying to convey you that you need to break out of all your old habits, because you will be forced to do that, because the new path that you will be walking on is going to be completely new and different, and it's going to require a lot of effort and work from you. So there is no space for all such negativity. So you are clearing your negativity in your dreams, okay, through your subconscious mind. Okay, yeah, believe what you say. So you might be already seeing some changes that are occurring in your life. If that is the case, then that's the sign that things are really changing for you and you need to prepare for it. Okay, just be ready. That's what I'm hearing. No. Yeah, you might not be believing what you're seeing. Like, it's like the truth is in front of you and you're not ready to accept it. So your dreams are trying to tell you that you need to accept it. This is your new reality, and what you have to step out of your comfort zone. That's the thing here. Okay, disconnect from everything. Yeah, you might be disconnected from everything. You might be disconnected from your intuition, your subconscious, and because you're doing that, the information is trying to come through dreams. Okay, so tune into your intuition. Okay, just carefully observe your surroundings. What changes are you seeing in your day-to-day life, and just try to pick up the signs. What are these signs trying to tell you? If you are unsure, just Google it. Everything is available on the internet. Okay, summer. Yeah, summer months are going on right now. So summer months are going to be very significant for you. That's what your dreams are trying to tell you. Okay, next is strength of character and moral integrity. Okay, so you need to step into your strength, your true strength, and you will have to face all the things that are being thrown at you. Okay, so at this present time, your faith on the universe is being tested, your moral values are being tested, your limits are being pushed, and your boundaries are being tested. Okay, so whatever things that you did not pay attention to before, you will be forced to look into those things. Okay, because I feel that for pile number 1, this is a very important phase of your life. Okay, so this is what your dreams are trying to tell you. Okay, so please like, please subscribe if you like my content. Okay, so yeah, this was your reading. Thank you very much and have a great day. So if you picked option number 2, this house, Let's see what your dreams are trying to tell you. So the first thing that I'm getting from this card is that your dreams are trying to tell you about your stability. Okay, it can be related to your home life as well. You might be dreaming of your family members, of a certain home situation. Okay, something related to home and stability. Okay, that's what I'm hearing. So you need to pay attention to your stability and what are the things you consider that make your life stable. Like, stability has a lot of different definitions for different people, so you need to look into what stability means for you in your specific life. Okay, so you need to pay attention to that. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, exactly. Five of Pentacles. You might be struggling financially for some of you, and you need to pay attention to that. Instead, I am hearing instead of grieving about the situation, you need to look for a solution, because the solution is right in front of you. You see here, this key is right here. If she just looks up, she'll see the key and she can use the key to open this door. Okay, so the solution is right in front of you. It's just that because you are very sad about the situation right now, you're not being able to see the solutions, and your dreams are trying to tell you that the solution is right in front of you. You just need to step out of this Five of Pentacles energy. Okay, an year from now. So an year from now, you will see the results of whatever decision you make right now. So this decision is very important for you. Okay, July might be significant for you. Okay, July is a significant month for you. Believe in yourself. Yes, you can get out of this situation if you want to, if you try. Okay, just being stuck in a situation won't help. You have to actively look for solutions. Pluto, transformation. Even first pile had the energy of transformation. Your life is transforming right now. There are many changes happening in your life, and these changes are necessary for your growth. So you need to learn from the situation rather than being stuck in it. Okay, this situation is trying to teach you something. You need to look to the bright side of it, and you need to look for solutions instead of being stuck in this. Okay, because I'm hearing being stuck in it won't help. Okay, we got ascendant outlook. Yes, you need to look the situation from a bigger picture. Don't take it personally. That's what I'm hearing. It is not done to you, it's done for you. Okay, so whenever you feel trapped in a situation, just remember what I said. Okay, it's not being done to you, it's done for you. It's done for you to move into a better reality. Okay, cleaning yourself up. Okay, you need to take a bath. That's what I'm hearing. So maybe you're not taking care of yourself right now. You are just laying there on your bed, just being sad. Okay, you need to do all the cleaning. Okay, cleaning yourself up, especially cleaning your surroundings. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing being neat and tidy will give you inspiration. So I don't know what that means, but yeah, just try it once and maybe you'll get some idea about solution to your problem, because for me personally, when I'm doing all these not so interesting things, I get most of the insights about my life problems. Okay. So yeah, you can try that as well. Okay, intelligence and mental beauty. Yeah, you are intelligent and you have the caliber to get out of the situation. It's just that you are not doing that, and your dreams are trying to urge you to step out of that. I'm hearing clumsiness, so I don't know what that means for you. Maybe your guides think that you are being clumsy right now and you don't see the situation for what it is. Okay, so your subconscious mind, your dreams are trying to tell you that you can do better than that. So get up and you will receive the information step by step. Okay, just take one step and you will things will be revealed to you. Okay, like next step will be revealed to you. That's what I'm hearing. So this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely let me know if it resonated, and do like and subscribe, and yeah, share my content if you like it. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a great day. So if you picked option number 3, this key, let's see what your dreams are trying to tell you. So the first thing that I'm getting is that your dreams are trying to give you solutions to your day-to-day life problems. That's what I'm hearing. If you are searching for answers, your dreams are trying to reveal those answers to you. So you need to look into your dreams as a sign. Okay, your dreams might not be direct, because dreams are not that direct. They are from your subconscious mind, so you have to figure them out. Okay, yes, the devil. Okay, your dreams are reflecting your own demons. That's what I'm hearing. Your own bad habits, your own toxic behavioral patterns that you keep on repeating again and again without even realizing it. You need to clear that out to find a solution. And for some of you, I hear that breaking free from your toxic patterns is the solution to your problem. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm getting. Okay, we have Venus, love. So you might be experiencing trouble in your relationships. Okay, and if that's the case, then you need to look into your patterns, what patterns you follow in your relationships with people, and you need to break out of the patterns that you feel are toxic. So you really need to analyze your patterns and you need to break free from those patterns, and your relationships will improve. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So I got Halloween. So this doesn't make literal sense as in, but the message that I'm getting is that you need to face your fears head on. Yeah, you can't run away from it. Your fears are controlling you. You see that? These toxic behaviors are controlling you. You need to break free from them. Yeah. Perfect dinner. So you need to eat something good, okay? Just bake yourself something good and treat yourself. And yeah, just take time out for yourself and you'll figure it out. That's what I'm hearing. You are just not spending enough time with yourself. That's why these toxic patterns, these fears, these behavior are controlling you, okay, without you even realizing it. Yeah. Oh my god, stop it right now. Yeah, your dreams are warning you to stop this toxic pattern that you follow again and again, again and again. So you need to find out what is it that's not working for you, and you need to work on it, okay? But for doing that, you first have to spend time with yourself. Only then you can figure out what's not working for you and with what pattern is toxic, okay? Then last is daffodil, rebirth and new beginnings. Yeah. Once you do that, things will change for you, and yeah, it's like a new beginning. It's like birth of a new life. So you will be reborn again. Oh my god, this sounds very cliche and very dramatic, but that's what I'm hearing. You will be reborn again, as in you will have the opportunity to start again. Okay? So you need to look into that. So this was your message. This is what your dreams are trying to tell you. Okay? Let me know in the comments below if this helped, and please like and subscribe, share my content if you feel like it. Okay? And do support my channel if you like what I do. Okay? So thank you very much and have a great day.